Very windy. That's there. Ooh, so nice place. This is County Donegal, Portno. Yeah, so nice. There. Kita ko lang sa inyo. Yan. So nice. And the waves here. Wow. Look at that there. Guys, ganda. You can hear the splash. Ayan. May dumadaan dyan. Another one here. Hi, good morning. Welcome to my live. This is live here in Portno, County Donegal. So, ayan, nagla-live lang po tayo. Ipakita ko lang po sa inyo ang aming lugar. That's the summer holidays here. Summer pero super super windy. Super windy po siya. Ayan. Nag-holiday na po kami dito. Tapos na kami dito. Tapos this one here. So, yeah. Nice place. So nice place there. Another one. You love this place, guys. Super nice. Super nice. There's a car there. This is Portno, County Donegal. Holiday home to, guys. May mga golf. May golf course din dyan. May golf course din dyan. Next is one. Moisturizer. Mag-moisturizer tayo. Yeah, please do like my live today. That's so nice. Sa mga holiday homes dito mostly nagbabakasyon kasi ang ganda ng weather ng yesterday, so nice. Look at the waves there. So look at the waves. Look at the waves. Oh, lovely. Ay, may nanonood dyan. Thank you, thank you. Dito kami sa very windy, very windy. Very, very windy. Next is my, what do you call this one here? So this is my last day today, my holiday. So sabi ko mag-live lang ako kasi windy siya, very windy. But look at the splash of the water there. Yeah. So I will show to you our